is another question.
Yeah, go.
Amongst all the candidates, obviously, this question suits you best.
Okay.
Besides your face, what is your problem?
Yeah. Answer the question. Direct to the point.
Well, my face is not my problem. Because I'm used to it. So, you are the one who looks at my face. I guess you are my problem.
There you have it.
So, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to eliminate and call our top 3 candidates.
Ano to ha? Judging to. Ay, may premyo to, promise.
May premyo. So, kayo ang magiging hurado.
Ang mananalo, machuchupa niya ang waiter of his choice.
Yes. So sa pamamagitan po ng inyong palakpak at hiyaw, malalaman natin kung sino ang pasok sa top 3.
Pero tanongin muna natin, just in case kung sila manalo, kung sino waiter, kung sino chupain.
Sige.
Okay, candidate number 1.
Maybe.
Anong pangalan nito?
Rodel.
Okay, Rodel. Ito yung maliit na naka-orange.
Assistant Captain Waiter.
Okay. Candidate number 2, sinong waiter gusto mong machupa?
Kahit sino gusto may baby.
Ay, ito, may titer.
Huwag yun sa akin. Pinaputol ko na kasi sisingal nila.
Okay, wala sino. Yes, candidate number 3.
Pwede ba yung may-ari?
Okay, let's have.
Okay, there.
Ayun, later, okay?
Candidate number 4.
Okay, number 4.
Lahat sila.
Wow! Kasya-kasya sa bunganga mo, buta ka. What about you, Exotica? Secrets. At syempre, of course, Valerie, bukod sa sarili mo, sino pa?
Kahit sino, basta may baby.
Nasabi niya na
Same
yun.
answer ay, wala kang originality. Oo, bakla ka na nga, bumul ka pa. Required. Come on, sino?
Pero ikaw.
Pero isasuggest ako.
Sino?
Daddy Dave.
Si Daddy Dave. Daddy Dave. The jet striker of the Philippines.
Yes. Okay, so alam na natin ang mga choices nila. Let's trim down the candidates.
Okay.
Malalaman ito sa pamamagitan ng inyong palakpakan as they step forward, you applaud for whomever you choose.
Siyempre, ang pinakamahinga na palakpakan tao ay siyempre patatagal na.
Alright, so candidate number 1, step forward.
Everyone, ang hatol.
Ay, 16 ang pumalakpak.
Okay.
Nabilang ko agad.
Okay. Candidate number 2, please step forward.
48 ang pumalakpak. Okay.
Candidate number 3, ang hatol.
Ay, 12. Candidate number 4.
Number 4. 13.
Lamang ng isa.
Candidate number 5.
6.
Candidate number 6. So we have our top 3.
We have our top 3 candidates number 6.
Number 1 and number 3.
2. Okay, step forward. And to the other candidates, thank you so much. Better luck next time.
Thank you. Thank you and goodbye.
Thank you.
Paloma, Ina, and Onsa.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you.
At bilang pampaluma.
Excuse me. Tapos na?
Hindi ka nasama sa top 3.
Sorry. Di ka pumasok. Gusto niyo ba siya pumasok? Hindi namin marinig. Gusto niyo ba siya pumasok? O sige, pero turner.
Alisin na lang natin yung number 6.
Ay.
Kasi kailangan tatlo lang eh. Second runner-up, first runner-up, tsaka
Sabagay.
pero wala tayong third runner-up.
Pero ang lakas ng palakpak eh.
Ulitin na lang natin kung sino ang pinakamahina, yun ang aalis.
Yung pinakamahina. Ilera kayong lahat. Yung pinakamahina.
Ay, hindi. Balik-balik natin. Yung pinakamalakas, yun ang aalis.
Yung pinakamalakas.
Parang fair.
So kung sino may pinakamalakas na palakpak at hiyaw, yun ang matatanggal.
Okay. Number 1. Number 2. Wala talaga. Crowd favorite.
Number 3. Number 4!
Kanina pala hindi lang natin na-explain sa kanila. Thank you!
Thank you very much.
Thank you! Thank you! Salamat!
Any message?
Pinaasan niyo ako mga putang na niyo!
Thank you!
Valerie, bumalik ka na sa iyong sarcophagus. And this time, what?